Hello my friends, this is Scarlett from Zitrev, your pass for a better you, and today we are going to prepare 2 dishes with nopales. Okay my friends, we have now our ingredients to prepare our 2 dishes with nopales. Are you ready? Friends, for our nopales we need to chop up some onions because the most of our dishes requires onions. Okay, now we are going to prepare our huarache. That this is not a real huarache, okay? But this is what you do with the things you have in your refrigerator. Let's add some frijoles chinos, the one we already prepared. It looks more like a tostada. After this, we are going to add some nopales, this way. You can add the quantity you enjoy. We are going to add some onion. I enjoy onion. If you don't enjoy onion, don't worry, don't add onion, but this is the way it is. Some cilantro. And the final touch, which one do you think it is? Okay, we can add some cheese. This is ranchero cheese, so it's easy to do this over your huarache, kind of slash tostada. Okay, and now we are going to add some sauce, green or red, whatever you enjoy more. Now let's going to try it, how tasty it is. If you want to learn how to cook Mexican food with whatever you have in your refrigerator or at your kitchen, don't forget to click in the link below. I hope you enjoy making this food. Remember to subscribe our channel, comment below and like this video. See you next Wednesday.